beautiful butterflies, sweet honeybees, disease-causing vectors. All these are the organisms which belong to a group called insects. And insects belong to a group called phylum called Arthropoda. So my dear children, welcome to our biology classroom. Today we will study about this largest phylum in the living world, that is Arthropoda. So today's objective is to explain the features of phylum Arthropoda. This Arthropoda word is a self-explanatory word that consists of two combinations. Arthro means jointed and poda means legs. That means these organisms have one salient feature. They possess the legs which have got joints that are responsible for the main success of this phylum. For the first time, such jointed leg phylum has appeared. So, Arthropoda. So, to start with, first we will do about the general features. So, as we have just discussed that it represents the largest phylum of the living world. In fact, 2/3 of the named species in this living world belong to the group called Arthropoda. So this is the largest phylum, and within this largest phylum, Insecta is the largest class. One class of it, Insecta, is largest in number. As far as the level of organization is concerned, these organisms have got organ system level of organization. So they have well-developed digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, and so on, reproductive system. So they have got organ system level of organization. Body symmetry, very advanced, that is the bilateral body symmetry is this, so that when the organism is cut from one plane, it gets divided into two lateral parts, equal halves itself. Germ layers, it is the representative of this phylums are triploblastic. That means they have 3 germinal layers in them, and the body cavity is bounded by mesodermal layer, true mesoderm, so they have got the true coelom in them. Now we will do that in these organisms the open type of circulatory system is present, so that the body cavity is filled with blood. So such type of coelom is also called as hemocoelom. So please children, my dear student, keep in your mind this word that is called hemocoelom. That means the body cavity is there, but since open type of circulatory system is there, so the blood flows in the open spaces, and hence such type of coelom is occupied by the blood and is called as hemocoelom. So as far as the body parts are concerned, typically these organisms have been divided into 3 distinct parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. So the head, it consists of mainly the sense organs such as antenna, eyes, etc. are concentrated in these regions. The whole of the body is covered by means of a chitinous exoskeleton. So that is made up of chitin. Chitin is a homopolysaccharide that technically or chemically consists of a molecule called N-acetylglucosamine. So this is the main ingredient in the chitin, but in the case of the arthropods, the chitin is not soft. It is impregnated with calcium, so it becomes somewhat tough, or it is crusty in the form, and it is meant so as to protect their body surfaces itself. So the chitinous exoskeleton is there. Then there is a special property of jointed appendages. The appendages, they have got joints at intervals. So these are the joints So jointed appendages are present, and hence the name of the phylum is Arthropoda in these organisms. For the first time, such advanced character has appeared in this group only. So they have got head, thorax, abdomen, chitinous exoskeleton is there, and jointed appendages are present in these organisms. One more property, they have got certain plate-like arrangement in their body. In fact, there is a plate that is called, this type of arrangement is there. The body divisions, there is a dorsal plate that is called as terga. There is a ventral plate that is called as sterna, and lateral plates called as pleura. And they are in fact jointed by a tissue that is called as arthrodial membrane. We will do in detail in cockroach. So arthrodial membrane, it just hold the plates. So this is a special feature that is associated with these organisms, that is the arthropods. They have the chitinous plates are arranged in this manner. The upper one is called terga, the lower one is called sterna, and the lateral one are called pleura, and the whole plates is called as sclerites. So such sclerites are present in these organisms. So you must have seen in the cockroach, these segmented sclerites are there, which is responsible for providing the protection to the organism. So these are the different terms which are associated. In the next part, we will do the more features about the systems which are associated with the arthropods.